In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the color of the page in Google Docs. And as you can see here, I have a recipe document that I would like to have another color on. I would like something like pink or maybe some orange. So the way to do this is to go to File up in the top left corner. And then you want to go down to Page Setup and click Page Setup. And then you want to go to the bottom of this menu where it says Page Color. And I want to change it to a little bit light orange or something. And then I want to click OK. So this is how to change the background color of a Google Docs document. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.